FP45 pistol, better known as the Liberator or, less respectfully, as the Woolworth gun, was devised in 1942, in response to a request from the United States Joint Psychological Warfare Committee.
The FP45 Liberator. During World War II, the Allies made a lot of effort to support resistance fighters in occupied countries by delivering them all kinds of weapons and materials in order to set Europe ablaze. One of the most curious weapons made for such a purpose was the FP45 Liberator pistol. The idea behind creating such a weapon was to arm potential insurgents in occupied Europe with stealth pistols that they could use against enemy soldiers. Hence the name Liberator. It was intended for hundreds of thousands of these pistols to be dropped into Europe, so German soldiers would be looking over their shoulder, knowing that anyone could carry a small, concealable weapon. The pistol dimensions were minimal, with an overall length of 5.55 inches or 141 millimeters, and weighed only 1 pound or 0.45 kilograms, so it easily could be concealed in a pocket. Its intended purpose was for the resistance member to assassinate the enemy at close range, after which they would take his better-suited weapon. The proximity of the target was of great importance, as the pistol barrel was smoothbore, so it did not allow shooting distances farther than 26 feet or 8 meters. In real conditions, the effective range was actually no more than 13 feet or 4 meters. The ammunition used for the FP45 Liberator was the powerful .45 ACP.